students, exercise number 10 in our third lesson. Remplacer le nom souligné. Replace the noun underlined par des prénoms qui conviennent by suitable pronoun. Faites attention à l'accord du participe passé. Pay attention to the agreement in past participle. Read the sentence properly. According to the sentence, you must do the exercise properly. So, pronoun you must concentrate, and also past participle you must concentrate. Okay. So, past participle we know already the rules. And pronoun also you must select suitable pronouns you must see. So two sets of pronoun we are having. One is direct object pronouns and another one is indirect object pronoun. And we can do some revision in our direct object pronouns and indirect object pronouns. So 11th standard we know few things and just recollect the things. Direct object pronoun. Pronoun d'objet direct. That is direct object pronouns are me, te, le, la, nous, vous, les. So the translation for all this direct object pronoun in English they are me, me, the, you, the, him or it in masculine, la, her or it feminine, nous, we or us, you, and les is then, and les is then feminine. Masculine, feminine you must remember. And these are the direct object pronoun. Okay, remember all the things. Just mug up it. And indirect object pronouns. Indirect of pronoun in French are me, te, lui, nous, vous, leur. See the difference. Me, te is not change. Nous, vous will not change. So 4 commonly is there, and remaining 2 things is third person masculine singular and third person feminine singular, third person masculine plural and third person feminine plural is alone change. And see the translation here. Me to me, te to you, lui is to him, is to her, nous to us, vous to you, leur to them masculine, leur to them feminine. So difference is only 4 words. So direct object pronoun and indirect object pronoun. See the difference, only 4 word is different. Okay. So remember things, and indirect object 2 will occurs. Okay. See the sentences according to the conditions is given in your question. The same model you have to replace the noun by suitable pronouns. Okay, just replace. See the attentions in the past participle also. Passé composé you have to conjugate and être or of the auxiliary verb with the past participle. So here concentrate this also. It's very important and repeated question also for your exam. See here, number 1. Il n'a pas parlé à sa directrice. He did not speak to his director. He did not speak to his director. So see the word to his director. So a gra is there. to his director. That AI is the to his director. This noun is the indirect object. Okay. So first after agra maximum will occurs, it is indirect object. To his directors you have to replace suitable indirect object pronoun. So how we can change now? Il ne dash apa parle. He has not speak or spoke to her director. To instead of to his director, to her you have to present it. So to her is lui. Okay. Il ne lui a pas parlé. He he is not spoken to his director. Elle n'a pas nettoyé les chambres. She did not clean the rooms. She did not clean the rooms. See the word. First find out the noun. Underline word is sham. It is the direct object noun because the word underline is indirect is agra will come, but it is not there in the second sentence. So it is a direct object. Second sentence underline word is direct object. Now we found the object. So replace the direct object noun using the suitable direct object pronoun. So see here, she has not cleaned. Okay, the rooms, that instead of room only you have to use them. So room is feminine plural ending in es. So rooms is feminine plural, feminine them, les. Go. Box is very very important. Nettoyer, they are lay. Okay. See the word concentrating. If you use the direct object pronoun before the word passé composé, the rule you have to show the ending. Show it is direct object noun, whether it is talks about a masculine noun or a feminine noun or a noun there is it plural form or noun there is it a singular form. So here les chambres, the bedrooms, it is feminine plural. So you have to do the agreement at the end of the past participle word. You have to add es because it is a plural form. So remember this, and so this you remember and you have to change it, otherwise it will mark will goes. Okay. So according to that we are changing the sentences given. Underline sentence you must concentrate and use the attention in passé composé also. So we did. Okay. We did the agreement according to the direct object pronoun that is placed before the verb in passé composé. So the pronoun is plural form. The chambre is plural form, so you have to add es. Elle ne les a pas nettoyés. She does not clean them. Third one. Les touristes n'ont pas visité les monuments historiques. Have not visited. The tourists have not visited the historical monuments. Here, a gra is not there, so we can easily identify it is a direct object. So replace this direct object noun by direct object pronoun. So historic monuments is in plural form. Okay, masculine plural. The tourists have dash n'a pas visité. So historical monuments. It is a masculine plural. So masculine plural in the box les. So you have to put les. And since we have to talking about the noun monument, it is masculine plural. So we are supposed to do the agreement and add s at the end because it is a plural form. Okay. Direct object pronoun is a plural and we have to add s in the end. Add s. Next, the tourist ne les ont pas visité. Okay. 4. Les étudiants n'ont pas encore acheté le manuel d'histoire. The students have still not brought the history textbook. The students are not brought the history textbook. So identify the noun. That underline it is a direct object because agra is not there. So it is a direct object noun. We can identify and we have to replace this direct object noun as a direct object pronouns. So the sentence according to this it is a plural. Masculine plural for this is les. And since we are using a noun, it is a masculine plural, we have to do the agreement by adding s, like last sentence. Les étudiants ne les ont pas encore achetés. The students have still not brought them. Number 5th one, elle n'a pas pris les chemises. She has not taken the shirts. The shirts, it is a direct object noun and it is replaced by the direct object pronoun. She has not taken them. So, chemise is ending in s. It is a plural form. Feminine plural. So, feminine plural for les. And at the end of the past participle, you have to do the agreement. It is a plural form. So, it is a direct object pronoun we used in plural. So, feminine plural. So, you have to add es. Masculine plural, yes is enough. But it is feminine plural, es. So, concentrate all the things and just revise the video again and you can easily identify all the things. Thank you.